We start on basic string operations with string indexing. Strings are composed of characters. A couple of things to be careful with literals. There are different kinds of quotes. Single quotes are around single characters for the type char, and double quotes for strings of any number of characters, including 0. Again, here we have single quotes around the U. It's a char literal. But with the double quotes, we have a string literal. We can have different numbers of characters if it's string literal, but this would be illegal. We have single quotes, but 3 rather than 1 character. Lots of things we do with strings depend on the positions of characters in the string. A position is given by an index number. Important thing to think about in C# is that the positions are counted starting at 0, not 1. So for instance, if we have the string coding, here I've spread out the individual characters, and I label the index of each individual character starting with 0 through 5. Note that there are 6 characters here, but the last index is 5. We can play with this now to show how to actually do this in C#. Let's suppose that I have a string S, and I'll let it be that string coding. To refer to an individual character, I use square brackets. S, open and close square brackets around 0 is going to give me what? Well, again, we start counting from 0, so this is the C. If I give it S square brackets 2, what's that going to be? 0, 1, 2, the D is at index 2. Just want to do one more, S with 5. And what do we get? That's the last character. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the G. Let's try this. Oops. You have to use a legal index or you get an error. Some other terminology. You can't use normal mathematical subscripts like in this S sub 2, but there's a correspondence here. Often the string indexing notation is thought of to be analogous, and this is sometimes spoken as S sub 2. That's a brief way to do it, and I'll probably use it. And sometimes instead of indices, we use as a synonym subscripts.